So it's skip day. Sorry, I forgot to give you an intro. I've just been doing it. I'm just going to show you what there is to get rid of. I've had to take my shoes off to come indoors. So I'll just sort of stand at the doorway. That is, oh, just walking my socks. This is all the stuff that needs to go. Some of this stuff I didn't realise I won't take. So I won't take old paint pots. So I'll have to take those to somewhere else. All of that and all of the stuff from upstairs where I was taking the carpet up. I haven't brought that carpet down, so that will need to come down. I'm really hoping it all fits in that skip. I mean, it's a fairly big skip. It's a 7-yard skip. And it has a little door, which I sort of forgot at the start. So that little, you're just propped up on these paint pots. That little door just means it's easier to get in. So I'll just pop you back. Well, I got a fair amount done there. How do I look? Sweaty. I got a fair amount done, but it's 6 o'clock, so I actually have to do some proper work, some paperwork. 6 o'clock in the evening, that is. I'm doing some out of hours stuff. So I'll pick the rest of that up tomorrow after work, or maybe I'll sneak in a little bit during work time. There's only probably an hour's worth of moving left to do. Do you want to see what's left? There's not a lot. So I've cleared out most of this stuff. So we've got what, like 5 bags there, some brick stuff. Like, because it's nice and heavy, it can all just go on the top, and then the outside of that fireplace. So that'll have to go. Oh, and all those sticks and that. So they'll probably go on next. So all the heavy stuff can sit on top. So that's sort of how I've packed it. I put a bit of heavy stuff in. Then I've put the carpets in. Oh, it's a bit bored over there, I forgot. Carpets in, and then heavy stuff goes on top to compress it. But not too much left. So Tom's here today. He's helping me out. But we're about to take that thing off there, that thing, the fireplace around. But I forgot to record anything, but we've taken up the carpet in here. We've started putting more stuff in the skip. Didn't find anything too exciting. Found these, well, Tom found these little sort of playing pieces, maybe from... Tom, what do you say it was?
What?
What do you say the game was?
Drafts.
Drafts.
Like chess, but easy.
So maybe, but I have to clean them up. But they don't feel particularly cool. Anyway, we're going to be taking down the fireplace surround. So Tom's just set me up with a tripod, which is the ladder. There we go, perfect. We've taken out most of the screws already, so now basically we're going to rip it off the wall because the heads and the screws on the bottom. I could drill it out maybe. We're just going to try putting it off.
Oh, it's quite hollow, isn't it?
I crowbars on it.
Stay.
Where's the crowbars? There we go. That's one side, just hold it up.
Yeah. You really should have done this before getting the floor.
I'm going to do it in the back. Okay, push it back. There we go. Right. So, let's lay it flat. And then we'll move it in a minute. Careful it doesn't slide. So support most of the way. Oh my gosh. Okay, we can just put it down on that here.
Oh no,
That's right.
the units are touching first.
That's alright. Okay.
Nice.
Interesting. So this is what the back of it looks like. Just freaking grim, but no dates or anything it doesn't look like. But it's hollow, surprisingly. I thought it was going to be solid. So, and there's the fire. And what must be pretty old wallpaper. So it's not an original surround. I thought it was, but it's most definitely not. Oh God.
Oh, that looks lovely.
There's a big space behind the skirting as well.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, so this is going in the skip, sadly. So I don't know how. We might be able to take it apart though, it looks like.
Yeah, it's going to be fun getting that through the hallway.
Oh, they're going off now anyway. So we've got the fire thing off, the fire surround. So they're in the skip. I didn't video that bit because it was a little bit undignified. But we're going to now try and chisel this off and see how far we get. Tom's worried about the floor, so am I, but whatever.
It's alright, it's not much.
You get the hammer.
Teamwork.
Oh, we didn't do this bit. So I think. Oh look, it's already coming off. Is it going to be this easy?
Yes.
Oh shit! There. Okay, you're going to have to hold that there. We're going to need. Is it heavy?
I don't know, I'm just making sure it doesn't fall.
Fuck. I didn't anticipate this going so quickly.
Pillows maybe? I don't know. What stops the fall?
Well, this stuff will work. All we want to do is lay it down on the floor.
Yeah, I'm worried about it splitting in the middle and something falling though.
It won't. Let's just imagine it won't. Oh, couple boxes as well.
Yes.
Just use that. Do you want to move back? Do you want to come somewhere else where you can see this disaster happen?
There's one solid bit of concrete. That'd be nice.
This looks dark on my screen as well. Pop the lights on. That doesn't help at all in the daytime, does it? Right, I don't want that. I want that to go through there. So
You're in charge.
alright, let's make sure that is tucked under where it's going to lay. Let's go. Anything that's falling, just push it in. Ah, it's heavy. Okay, don't let the fingers get trapped.
That was a bit. Woo! I think it's flat.
Oh my god. Well, I expected this to be a time lapse, but there's underneath the thing is the big chimney cavity. We've got the fire seat here. What have you found?
Stick.
A stick.
Yeah, a few sticks. A lot of ash.
There might be some cool things in here. Oh, that's a tile from the roof, I think, yeah. I can't see anything cool, but there's a lot of ash that we'll need to hoover out. But that is clean. I'm pleased with that. Now, are we going to be able to carry this to the skip?
That's a good question.
I think maybe it's time to put carpet down
Yeah.
and use it to pull
Oh, like a
the
sled.
thing along. Yeah, like a sled. This bit we're not going to be able to show you, but I'll show you when it's in the skip. So absolute disaster. Dragging that fireplace out meant that we've caught the fireplace on the floor in various places. It's not that obvious, honestly, but I'll just have to live with it. We've done quite a lot. See, almost finished. Tom had to capture 3 massive spiders because I was too chicken to do it, and they were big spiders. Let me hold that for me, Tom. Well, just show him what it is.
It is. I'm pretty sure it says climax.
Don't do that.
I think we're too close to focus.
You're not saying climax. Give it back.
Definitely says climax.
You're not saying climax. So, I think I saw this before, but I wasn't quite sure what it is. So, it seems to say radio, and then maybe Olimax. Radio down here, and Olimax there, potentially. But it's got a wire that's sort of embedded in here. This won't come out. It's like firmly glued down. So I'm thinking maybe it's like a grounding thing for radio. Did they have like specific antennas that you could have on your house for radio? Don't know. I'd love to know if any of you know. I would be incredibly interested. So there's not much left to do. Little bits. Oh, we'll wash that tarp off.
It's still got the crap inside it.
All right, okay. Just a few more bits. So skip update. How's that? We've got everything in there we need to do. It said level fill only. Oh, that carpet. I'll try and push this down a little bit, but that's freaking level filled. I feel like it's like fate or something. That is everything I need to put in the skip, and it fits with some space to spare. So maybe I'll go around looking for a few more bits, but that's it. That's it for today. It's not really a long video, I don't think, because I'm gonna pause on doing stuff for a little bit. I need to buy some stuff, and we just like power wash this floor so it looks a lot better. I need to buy some things and measure up for skirting and stuff. So yeah, I think that's it for a bit. I think anyway. I might do the painting in the hallway, but you don't need to see me do any more painting. Anyway, bye.
Bye.